Do you want to become a chartered accountant? Maybe you answered, yes, Nhyira, I really want to become a chartered accountant. Then my follow-up question is, when do you want to become a chartered accountant? I guess your answer may be, Nhyira, as early as possible. So my question then is, why haven't you become a chartered accountant? I hope you are giving yourself excuses and saying that, oh, Nhyira, I have written the exam over and over again. Or maybe you are having cold feet and you are like, Nhyira, I have heard that the ICAG examination is difficult, it's challenging. No matter what you do, you are going to fail the examination. Or you are like, Nhyira, I have attended all kinds of lectures, I've attended all manner of intervention classes, but I've still not been able to pass the examination. Listen. The ICAG examination is a professional examination, and because it's a professional examination, it means that it requires a certain mindset, discipline, and mentorship to be able to position you to pass the examination. And that is exactly what we do here as licensed tuition providers for the ICAG Professional Qualification Examination. With the right culture, mentorship, discipline, and the environment, you are empowered to be able to understand everything in the syllabus, the basic concepts and principles, and most importantly, put you in the frame of mind that is required so that you can go into the exam hall and write the examination. So what are you waiting for? I don't know what your experience has been. I don't know what your excuses have been. I don't know where you have been. I don't know what you are thinking about. But one thing I know is this, that with our teaching methodology and strategies, you will be guided and mentored. And if you discipline yourself and you follow instructions, I can guarantee you, you can go to the exam hall, write the exam with confidence, and most importantly, pass the exam so that you can achieve your goals. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below this video or head on to our website nhyirapremium.com or download the Nhyira Premium mobile application on the Google Play Store or the App Store so that you can enroll in a course today and start studying under my mentorship with a team here. Let us assist you, hold your hand, provide you with the mentorship that you need so that you can pass the examination. Listen, with the right mindset, discipline, and culture, I can guarantee you that you will go to the exam hall, write the exam, and pass the examination. But let me say that we have some terms and conditions on our terms and condition page on our website that you can read. Make sure you read the terms and condition very well, because our tuition center is not for everybody. We are here to enable people who want to really cross, who are really hungry to cross. So we are not for everybody. Our culture, our system, our strategy, and the way we do things here are very different. So I will entreat you to read our terms and condition page carefully, and if you finish reading the terms and condition and you feel that this is an environment I want to be in, this is a community I want to be part of, then you can enroll in a course and start studying under my mentorship. Listen to me, we've been doing this over a decade, and with the team that we have and the strategies, the technology, and everything that we have put in place, we know that we can help you to realize this dream that you have been having. I can guarantee you that if you discipline yourself, if you focus and you follow instructions, you will go to the exam hall, write the exam, and most importantly, become successful. I'll see you in one of our live lectures.